What's up guys, my name is Michel Cluizel. Welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to temper dark chocolate. So why do you need to temper chocolate at all? If you don't temper chocolate, it will not set in the right crystalline form. That means your chocolate will start to bloom, it will not have the right snap and the right texture in your mouth, and you will never get this beautiful shine. So temper your chocolate. Step 1. When you temper chocolate, buy good quality chocolate. If your chocolate quality is poor, tempering is going to be difficult. Second step, melt your chocolate to 45 degrees. Remember to stir. Third step, add some tempered chocolate to the melted chocolate. Stir until you reach 32 degrees or colder. Make a temper test and I'm sure your chocolate is going to be tempered. Very easy. Want to see in practice how to temper chocolate? Follow this video. And remember, I've already done a video, you should see it right now here, about milk and white chocolate. And it's pretty much the same than dark chocolate, so yeah. But watch it anyway. The chocolate I'm going to temper today is from Callebaut. It's this brand's 2815, and there's a link in the subscription where you can buy this chocolate. Callebaut is the biggest chocolate brand in the world. I'm not sponsored by this company, I just like their chocolate. Different chocolates out there, I use Callebaut a lot. Yeah, so it's that one and dark we're going to temper today. Let's go. About 500 grams of chocolate. I know glass bowl looks very nice, but to melt chocolate it's much better to use metal. So you can melt the chocolate in different ways. Today I used warm water. So now I'm ready for seeding. So remember, it's important to mix the chocolate very properly. So now it's mixed. I will take it off the heat, like this. And now I will temper the chocolate. That means I will add the crystallized chocolate pieces which I have in the fridge already. My tempered chocolate, just add it. All of it, mix. You don't just mix too fast. So my room temperature here is, hang on, see my room temperature, 18 degrees. Perfect temperature for chocolate. And mix. Still lumps, see? Wait. So my chocolate is melted, but it's still too warm. Now I will teach you a little trick. My secret trick is this piece of chocolate. The chocolate here is 34.6 degrees warm, 35. Beta 5 crystals have a melting point between 29.5 and 33.5 degrees. The reason why I add this big piece of chocolate is if you add small pieces of chocolate right now, you can have the risk of they will not melt because of the high melting point of the beta 5 crystals. I only need some of the melted crystals. That's why I use a big piece of chocolate. And this piece of chocolate will cool down the chocolate to 32 degrees. Some of the chocolate will melt. I will mix it with a spoon into the chocolate and take the big piece out when the right temperature is reached. And then your chocolate will be tempered. It's that easy. And you will not end up with annoying small pieces of chocolate inside your tempered chocolate. Now, remember the mixing process is very important. Now the chocolate, 32 degrees. I will take this big piece, mix. I keep the big piece of chocolate for next time. And now we make the temper test. So I will wait for 3 minutes to see if this chocolate sets. If the chocolate starts setting after 3 minutes, it's tempered. Sometimes it starts to set even before that. Remember, I will not put it in the fridge. I will just leave it right here. 3 minutes are gone and I can see the chocolate starts setting. Put the finger on. That's good enough for me. So, to me, the chocolate is tempered. The reason why I choose 32 degree instead of 31 or 30 is I like that there's some time before the chocolate set. You can easily cool it down to 31 or even 30, but then time is running fast. The chocolate will set much faster. That's it for today. I hope you learned something and I hope you will be back soon. That's what I'm going to do next time. And here's some inspiration what else I could do. Remember, I am the judge of the Great Bake of Denmark. I can make a lot of different stuff, so leave me a comment if you want me to do something else. Cakes, desserts, whatever you would like, let me know. Keep watching until the end and have a very nice day. And yes, if you like and if you haven't done so, please subscribe and hit the like button. Take care. Bye bye.